Possible funnel cloud. Possible funnel cloud right there. It wants to do it badly. Look at all that rising scud. Look at that rising scud. Look at all those chasers too. Man, it's trying. All right, we're gonna stop. Wow. And it wants to do it badly. It wants to. Mean looking lowering, holy moly. Might have to add more. I have a tornado on the ground. I have a tornado on the ground. There it is. Got a tornado. Tornado on the ground. Tornado. Oh yeah, tornado. Someone needs to report this. Large. Oh my God. Nasty. There it is. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Wow! Multi-vortex. That's a big, oh wow, that thing's huge. Look at that. Horizontal vortex on the left side. Flashes. Multi-vortex on the ground. Oh my goodness. Wow! We might do it again here. I think it's probably still down. Yeah, it's still down. It's still down on the ground. Got a multi-vortex. Look at the RFD. Oh my God, okay. Right at me. I gotta move. Big time RFD. Look at the RFD. Holy moly, this thing's grabbing its act together. Oh, wow. I'm gonna wait until the RFD clears out. I did. Listen to that. Oh my God. Yeah, I can feel my car just vibrating right now. Holy moly. That tornado might have done damage. Uh-oh.